Today, we review the best bass guitars for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Safeplus electric bass guitar. For those who want a quality guitar without the expensive price, then I highly recommend that you get the Safeplus electric bass guitar. I commend this brand for having the quality instruments without breaking the bank.
Number 2.
Polar Aurora full-size electric bass guitar. What makes the Polar Aurora electric bass guitar an excellent purchase is because it comes with the complete starter kit for beginners to take advantage of. It has the rosewood fingerboard and maple neck with a solid wood body.
Number 3.
Crescent electric bass guitar. The Crescent electric bass guitar comes at such an affordable price without scrimping on quality. It's beginner-worthy and better to learn from than to play in performances, obviously.
Number 4.
Goplus electric bass guitar. The Goplus electric bass guitar is simply constructed but still more than enough when you want to learn the ropes. I commend it most for its excellent design and appearance.
Number 5.
Dean Guitars Custom Zone Bass Guitar. The Dean Custom Zone Bass Guitar might be a bit more expensive than other bass guitars tried and tested here, but it's worth the extra bucks. For starters, it has the excellent body with sturdy construction.